Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from faysfood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade hot chocolate. In my saucepan I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm melting this over a low heat. I definitely recommend that you use a high quality chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli, which is pretty affordable but good quality. You can use Lindt or any other nice quality chocolate. Don't use anything you wouldn't use in your chocolate chip cookies. Once the chocolate is melted, I'm going to go ahead and add in the water, sugar, and salt all at once. And I'm just going to give this a whisk. And I'm going to bump up the heat to kind of a medium-low heat because I want the chocolate to come to a boil for about 2 minutes. Keep in mind to really whisk constantly because you don't want the chocolate to burn on the sides or on the bottom. Okay, so after the chocolate boils for a couple minutes, you can go ahead and slowly add in the milk in half and half. And because obviously the milk and half are cold, we want to really cook this for a few minutes just to bring it up to a nice hot temperature. Right, and here's my secret. I like adding a bit of the instant coffee granules. Just a little bit really brings out more of the chocolate flavor. Don't overdo it. We don't want to drink coffee here, but just adding a bit is just like that magic pixie dust that really bumps up the chocolate flavor. Okay, so I add those in, and then after we heat it up for a bit, you can see it's nice and hot. I'm going to take it off the heat and I added in some vanilla extract. I'm going to whisk that in, and you really want to whisk it until it's nice and frothy. And that is it. We are done with our hot chocolate. Homemade hot chocolate is so easy to make. I make it under 10 minutes, 5 minutes sometimes when you have everything prepped up. It's so easy to make, so why not? It tastes way better. It's richer in my opinion, way more flavor than the powdered stuff that you get. You can top this any way you'd like. I'm going to top it with some whipped cream because I'm kind of a whipped cream fanatic. But on top of that, because I'm just extra, I'm going to top it with some marshmallows. And because why not, some drizzled chocolate. So give this a try. Go to faysfood.com for the full recipe. Let me know how you like it. I'm guaranteeing you will love it. Like this video, comment below for any comments or questions. Subscribe to the channel for more great videos on the way. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.
Time for you to make a move. I've been trying to keep my cool. After all the shit you put me through, after all the shit you put me through.